Welcome back to part 3 of this video series on street legal golf carts. I'm Juan, General Manager of Capt Golf Carts 2. You know from parts 1 and 2 of these videos that a golf cart must first be converted to what's called a converted golf cart to be street legal, and I explained why. The alternative to that, and what most are instead doing, is buying a low-speed vehicle. So keep watching this video to learn all about low-speed vehicles. So you're watching this video series because you're trying to learn about street legal golf carts. And now you know your golf cart must be converted to what's called a converted golf cart to meet the legal requirements for it to be street legal. So it's time for a pop quiz on what you've learned so far. The question is, in the intro clip, was the lady wearing the green dress driving a golf cart, a converted golf cart, or a low-speed vehicle? Here's another look. The answer is she's driving a low-speed vehicle, an all-set electric vehicle to be exact, like the one I'm sitting on and the ones I sell. That was a trick question because there's no way to tell by just looking at the video. We've had to drive it to see how fast it goes, amongst other things. Remember, Florida law says golf carts cannot exceed 20 miles per hour, and golf carts converted for street legal purposes must go at least 20 miles per hour without exceeding 25 miles per hour. The same goes for low-speed vehicles. Florida law defines low-speed vehicles as any four-wheeled vehicle whose top speed is greater than 20 miles per hour, but not greater than 25 miles per hour, including, but not limited to, neighborhood electric vehicles. Low-speed vehicles must comply with the safety standards in Chapter 49 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 571.500, and Florida Statute Section 316.2122. The legal definition of low-speed vehicle is far more technical than the one for a golf cart because they must meet federal transportation standards. And it's meeting those federal transportation standards that make converted golf carts and LSVs safe to drive on public streets and roads. In part 2 of this video series, I listed the components that must be installed on a golf cart to turn it into a converted golf cart. If you haven't figured it out yet, here's the aha moment. Converted golf carts are low-speed vehicles, but low-speed vehicles are not converted golf carts. Golf carts can be converted, but why spend the money when you can just buy a low-speed vehicle if you don't already own one? Now, because your converted golf cart or low-speed vehicle must be titled, registered, and insured, it doesn't end with the purchase or conversion. I'll explain what you must do and the reason why so many don't do it in the next video, part 4 of this series. Until then, if you like this video and want to see more like it, do us a favor and press the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the notifications tab. It helps us get the word out and lets you know when we release the next video. Thank you again for watching.